this is Anif Kapoor. Welcome back to the next video. And this video I'm gonna show it to you how to operate the cruise control system in the car. I think as you guys know that one. If you don't know, or if you want to know what should do or what should not do while doing operating the cruise control, we start the cruise control. If you are going in the highway or freeway road, so the cruise control will help you to maintain your speed kilometer level, and especially if you have the radar in the roads, it should be required. For example, now I'm going in the freeway. As you can see, the road 120 kilometer is the permitted, and even in the UAE you can go 20 kilometer extra. That means 140 kilometer we can reach. So this road is a free road, as you can see that front road. So here I'm going to explain how to operate the cruise control. So usually the cruise control, as you guys knows, the mostly 80% of the cruise control will become in this position. So some cars it's coming like we can say like a 20% the balance cars having, some cars having the cruise control option here, like a Renault or like some BMs, and some like a premium cars we can see the control over here. So it will come like a buttons or something coming with a small like a rollover type. So here this is the normal, everywhere every car you can see that the cruise control options. So here I'm gonna show how to operate. So when you are limiting the speed, now I'm going like 100 kilometer speed, so I'm switching the cruise control. So you have to do that, just press the cruise. As you can see, the cruise mode is on. Now we have to do down first of all. So down the speed, what the speed I'm going, it's now okay. So I'm going to increase the speed now. So I'm gonna fix 110 kilometer per hour. The cruise is fixed. As you can see the below, I already removed my foot from the accelerator, but car is still going. You can see the 110 kilometer, and the radial also you can see the speedometer showing the car is going 110 kilometer per hour. Here, this is the cruise control, and if you want to increase the speed, just pressing these buttons, you can increase. As you can see now, I'm increasing 115 and 116. I'm going to fix now 120 kilometer speed. So now car is going 120 kilometer speed. As you can see, I'm not touching any pedals and brake, nothing. It's going. So if you want to reduce the same, if you want to reduce, no need to touch the brake. By the button itself you can reduce the speed. I will show you now. Here the button, I'm just reducing now. The car speed is getting down to 115, 111, and I'm just came to the 110 kilometer, which is fixed first. So at the same time the speedometer also came down. Even I did not touch the brake on that. If any emergency situation, for example, suddenly some car came inside and we have to stop the car, that time no need to worry about the cruise on, off, nothing. Just if you touch the pedal, the car automatically will adjust the brake. Now you can see that the speedometer is coming low and down. So here the speedometer is going down, is below 100 kilometers is coming. That means I'll just touch the pedal. And this is how to control how to operate the cruise control. So here I'm gonna show you what are the things you should do or what you should not do in the cruise control. Whenever you are on the cruise control, just you are the cruise control, we are going now 110 kilometer per hour. The problem, what will happen if you don't have a highway or something, it not necessary, no need to on the cruise control. When we usually, if you are going freeway and the traffic is less, and if you have the radars, you can fix the cruise. For example, this road I told already, for 140 kilometer you can go. So I fixed less than 120 kilometer, because we are not driving the ambulance. We are normal driver and there is no rest, so no need to go reach the 140 kilometer hours. And what are things we should do? And when your cruise control is on, some people what they are doing, just they are removing the foot from the accelerator and brake, everything they're keeping like this. So if you do that, it's a very wrong method. What we should do, we keep our legs in the accelerator. It's no need to press the accelerator, just keep on the leg over the accelerator. Reason, usually if you are driving the manual car, 80 automatic car, any cars, this is the position how we are fixing our keeping our legs in the accelerator. Why? In any emergency system, our mind is fixed the regular driving mode. If suddenly any emergency happen, just you will lift the leg from the accelerator and put our pedal in the brake. So that means if you are on cruise control, it's not a means like remove everything and hold your legs away from the accelerator and brake. So don't do that one. And another thing, if you are more tired, you feel like a sleepy. For example, you are driving a long time travel in the full night time travel, and that time don't start the cruise. The reason, because if you are in a sleepy mood, something you feel more tired, and the time if you are on the cruise, what will happen? You will not press the accelerator, you will not concentrate on the road, you will go, you no need to press the accelerator. Automatically your mind, already you are in the sleeping mode, your mind will get more tired and maybe it's possible to sleep. So if your cruise control is on, you are steady everything, so you want to maintain the speed the same, you should avoid any fine or any violation over the speed limit. That's the reason the cruise control will be helpful. So this is the things you need to do or do not in the cruise control. And obviously the cruise control will come every car for the automatic car only. Every guys know that the automatic cars, we will not use our left foot, only we will use the right legs to control the accelerator and brake. So keep in mind, if cruise control is on, for always keep your leg in the right side in order to avoid get any emergency collision or something. Thank you guys. If you like the video, just forward to your friends who don't know the cruise control. Actually, the reason behind this video, why I'm making video, there is one funny part is that's the reason I'm making this video today. What happened like 1 month before, little heavy rain, means sudden rain in Dubai, is not called a heavy rain, sudden rain in the Dubai, suddenly it's got flooded over the road. What happened? Me and one of my friends went to one bus stop, like kind of area to drop her. What happened? There is flooded road. Then I got angry. I'm just thinking, why we came here? We see the more flood over the road. How we can cross the road? Suddenly she said, why you are getting more angry? You have one option, na? Press the car will be go smooth. I said, what option I have? Then she said, you have cruise control. If you touch the cruise, the car will be go over the water. She's saying like that cruise control means the car will be become like a water boat. How come? So suddenly I thought she's educated and she know about cars also. Then she's thinking like that means my mind came, how many people don't know how to operate the cruise control. That's why I made this video. If you like, share to your friends also.